Hello folks, well, you're looking at a few of my drones and most of them are symmetrical, and what I mean by that is all of the rotors are basically in a symmetrical H or X shape. Most of them are all pretty symmetrical, but then there's a couple that are very unusual, and I thought I would show you one and actually see how it flies. So let's take a look at these. So what I'm going to show you is a very interesting, a close coupled set where the motors are right next to each other, and you got to wonder, well, how well does it fly? So let's take a look at it. I'm really impressed with the amount of control that I have and stability with these motors so close to each other. Really amazing. Never thought it would work that good. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks a lot for watching these two unusual machines. They're quadcopters, very close coupled, but there are 4 motors. And please stay tuned for the next episode. And please check out my book on Amazon if you wouldn't mind.